Hey everyone, and let's decorate a soap dispenser with decoupage. So I decided to do a cat theme because this was a gift for a good friend. And he likes cats, so I decided to do this. So I have this white soap dispenser, which was pretty plain, of course. I didn't need to paint this one because it is white already, and I have this custom printed cat rice paper, so I am tearing up in few places for better placement because it is round, the soap dispenser. And then I am applying little bit of decoupage glue onto the container itself, then making sure it is somehow even, the image, and then I am gluing it with more decoupage glue, and making sure there is no excess, of course, of the glue, because that will dry out white, not clear. And as you can see, there is a wrinkle forming, so I am cutting a little bit deeper inside the rice paper, and now I can glue it more, so I can finish gluing it. And this way I did it on all three of my rice paper. And as you can see, I'm even lifting up because I have seen a small wrinkle was forming there. And now I am going to blend it in between my cat's design, and for this I'm using acrylic paints. And as you can see, I am going even inside the rice paper for better blending, and I am using brush, dabber, and I am having fun doing this blending and such. See, little bit of fun. Because I am not a painter, I am trying my best to do it, and I am doing it until I am somehow satisfied with the outcome. And I am like, if I like it, hopefully somebody else will like it too. So this is the way I am doing it, and sometimes I start doing it one way and then I finish it complete different way. And then now with a little bit of small brush, little bit of paint and water, I am doing little bit of shading, and I am using my fingers for this. I never learned somehow doing the shading only with brush, but it's okay, I like it this way. The only negative is my fingers get dirty, but my fingers I never clean when I'm doing decoupage. And now with a small brush, water and acrylic paint, I am applying dots on my container soap dispenser. And then for a nice shimmer look, I am using glitter decoupage glue, and here again making sure there is no excess of the glue because it will dry out white, not clear. And make sure you don't put anything on top because you have to, you know, put the lid on later on, the dispenser on. And now with pouring glaze, I am sealing it. I applied up to 4 layers and let it dry. And now here it is all finished. All you need to do is put soap in it, and there you go. Hope you like it. Until next time, bye.